kinds of homes. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Rats and snakes live in holes. A lion lives in a den. Birds build their own nests. A crocodile lives in water. Wild animals like zebra, giraffe, deer, and elephant move about in the forest. They do not make their own homes. They rest under the trees. Save wild animals.
Okay, so you saw the homes of different wild animals. You saw homes of a rabbit. It lives in a burrow, okay? Then we saw home of rats and snakes. They live in holes, okay? See, there is a hole and they are coming. So they live in a hole. Then a lion lives in a den. Now you might have seen in Jungle Book. You remember that film? How many of you have seen that film? I know many of you. So we have seen that a lion enters from a den. Okay? What is it known as? A den. Then what we studied? Birds build their own nests. And they, see?
Birds build their own nests.
See what we can see? They are feeding the small babies. Okay? So they bring food from outside and feed the babies. They keep the eggs in the nest so that it is protected. Then we study about zebra.
Zebra, giraffe,
So, zebra and giraffe, where do they live?
of
They live here around, they roam here around, okay? They don't stick to one place. Okay. Then, what else?
an elephant move about in the forest. They do not make
Elephants also move around in the forest. They do not stick to one place. But yes, if you see, there are many forests or places in Kerala and in other states where they keep elephants at a specific place. They take care of them. Okay? So they can be pet but only in forest areas. Okay.
not make their own homes. They rest under the trees. Save wild animals. Wild animals are in danger all over the world. Their home, the forest, is being cut. Humans are responsible for this. Animals are killed for their skin, bones, horns, and tusks. The tiger and the leopard are hunted for their skin.
So now, what are we studying? We are studying to save the wild animals. Now as you see, there are so many cities developing. The small villages also are developing. So what is happening? These forests are being cut, the trees and so many places get cut. So what happens? Their houses get lost. Now they don't know where to go, isn't it? So many times we see that many wild animals come on the road, or we can see that they are crossing the road, isn't it? You might have seen in some video. So why is this happening? Because people are cutting the forest. They are cutting their houses, which is not good, isn't it? And what else? They are even killing them for bones, for horns, and also to make leather jackets and bags. Okay? Flesh of many animals are used to make handbags, to make bags. So we should not do that, children, isn't it? If these animals will get killed, slowly and gradually what will happen? The forest will get affected, isn't it? Everyone is connected to each other. If these wild animals will not eat other animals,
Rhinoceros are killed for their horns. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Humans are destroying forests and killing animals for their greed. We must stop cutting down forests and protect the wild animals.
Okay, so children, we should protect the wild animals. We should protect the forest. Okay, we saw what? That the elephants are killed for the tusk. Okay, what is the tusk? The white part you are seeing. See? This is the tusk.
Are killed for their tusks. Humans are
So we humans are so selfish and greedy. We are killing them for our needs. So children, we should never kill animals. We should take care of them. We cannot take care of the wild animals. But the least we can do is not kill them. Do not use the products or bags which are made up of leather. Why? So that the demand will decrease and so they will not kill the animals. Okay, so together we can live happily. Isn't it? Did you like the chapter? Okay, so we'll do the question part.
Tick the correct answer and win a star.
Okay, so what is the first one? A zebra eats dash. Okay, what does a zebra eat? Is it dead animals? Is it flesh? Or is it grass? Think about it. Huh? Yes. Good work. Zebra eats grass and it is also known as a herbivore animal. A snake lives in a dash. Where does it live? Is it in a burrow? Or a hole? Or a den? Yes. Good work. It lives in a hole. Okay? Then, now we'll solve some more questions. Okay, so this is your worksheet part. You have to write the question as well as the answers. Rabbit makes dash. Okay, now what does it make? Think about it. Yes, rabbit makes burrows. Okay, birds build their own dash. What does the birds build? They build their own nest to protect themselves. Honeybee lives together in dash. Where do they live? You know it, I won't tell you this time. Okay, so you have to write these questions in your notebook. Now, one last question. Ria caught a baby rabbit from its burrow and put it in a cage at her home. Okay? Her sister Sneha noticed that the rabbit and requested Ria to take the rabbit back to its burrow. What value do you learn from Sneha? So Ria and Sneha are sisters. What did Ria do? She saw a cute little rabbit. It was living in a burrow, so she took it and she kept it at her home. Now Sneha, her sister, told you should not take it and keep it back. So what quality or what value does it describe of Sneha? It describes that we should be kind to animals. Just because we feel they are cute, they are little, and we want to play with them,